Hi guys. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Vivian, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Like, we're getting there. Yeah, period. You know those YouTubers who come online and drink some wine? I want to be part of them. Okay, it doesn't work. Anyway, so hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Vivian, and if you're a returning subscriber, you know the vibe. So today we are going to try to do the claw, how do they call it? It's really popular on TikTok right now. Claw clip technique in my 4C natural hair. My hair is in its wrinkled stage right now. I did purchase my claws all here, and I'm going to try to do it in an easier way, and I'm going to show it to you guys. If it works out, I'll post this video. If it doesn't work out, I will not post it. I don't want to give people wrong information. So we are going to try to do it as I'm filming this video, at the same time filming it on YouTube. I'm going to be filming it for TikTok, so go ahead and follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram, because I do post Instagram reels, and follow me on my Pinterest. So I did get a video from TikTok, the one I want to try out. I'll not say all this is all my knowledge. I do pick inspirations from some videos, and yeah, the girl is called I Am Lean. I Am Lean is the person who gave me the inspiration for this video. So I am going to try it out because she definitely has hair like mine. Yeah, and I'm going to see how it's going to go. So yeah, let's get into the video. Well, we have to section out the parts of the hair. We are sectioning our hair out into 4 different parts. So this is the level where I've reached. I have definitely sectioned out it into 3 parts, because as the video says, you section it out into 3 parts. This for the front hair, this the middle hair, and definitely the back hair. So the middle hair, you definitely put it into a bun, which I have definitely done. I'm really excited. It's actually coming up. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Yeah, it's giving. So I'm then going to use Eco Gel for the front bit of the hair. I think I'm a little bit too high for the camera. So, oops, sorry. Why am I apologizing? So I then go in with my Got2b glue freeze spray. This helps to hold the hair down properly to prevent flyovers. I tie it with a silk scarf. This holds the hair down properly and it prevents it from coming out after spraying it with the freeze spray. So I'm getting ready to go for an event. I definitely install my lashes. My lashes are from Amazon. I'll link them down below. I remove my silk scarf from my head. My 4C hair is very hard to lay with just Eco Gel, but this time it really tried. It's really holding on to the hair properly. I then get my claw clip from Amazon. I'll link it down below. It's best you get a bigger claw clip, because if you have 4C natural hair, a bigger claw clip is much better to hold down your hair. So I fold up the last section of the hair and then install the claw clips. This is really very easy to do. This is the last step. I forgot to lay down my hair at the back, that's why you might see it curled on the sides. But yeah, so I then get ready for the event. Hope you guys enjoy my mini makeup tutorial. I'm in a rush now. So I definitely honestly love how the hair turned out. It has really given what it's supposed to give. The makeup is giving, everything is giving. I honestly do like this look because I think as black girls we really have very limited hairstyles, and the fact that our hair is very versatile, it can turn into different shapes and forms. Damn. Sitting with